Welcome to our deep dive into mastering event stream processing with Apache Kafka. Today, we'll learn the essentials of processing and managing data streams efficiently, equipping you with the skills to build scalable, real-time applications in the modern tech landscape.
Have you ever wondered how platforms like Netflix handle millions of data points in real time? It's all about event stream processing. In today's fast-paced digital age, managing data streams effectively is crucial. Apache Kafka stands at the forefront of this revolution. It allows businesses to process vast amounts of data in real time, ensuring seamless and efficient operations. By mastering Kafka, you can harness the power of real-time data processing, making you a sought-after professional in today's tech-driven world.
Apache Kafka's architecture is designed for high throughput and fault tolerance. At its core are producers, which send data to Kafka topics, and consumers, which read data from these topics. The data flows through brokers, collectively forming a Kafka cluster. This distributed system allows Kafka to handle vast volumes of data efficiently. Zookeeper plays a critical role by managing the Kafka brokers and ensuring synchronization across the cluster. Understanding this architecture is paramount for effectively leveraging Kafka's capabilities in real-world applications.
Setting up Apache Kafka might seem daunting, but with a systematic approach, it's straightforward. Start by downloading Kafka from the official website. You'll need to set up Zookeeper, as it's integral to managing Kafka clusters. Configure your brokers by editing configuration files to suit your needs. Once everything is set, start the Kafka server and test it using a sample producer and consumer. By following these steps, you'll have a functional Kafka environment ready for processing data streams. Kafka topics are essential for organizing data streams. Each topic can be divided into partitions, allowing Kafka to scale horizontally. You can create topics using simple command line commands. It's crucial to manage these topics effectively, adjusting partitions for scalability and configuring settings for optimal performance. If needed, Kafka also allows you to safely delete or modify topics. Mastering topic management is key to harnessing Kafka's full potential in data stream processing.
In Kafka, producers and consumers play a pivotal role. Producers send events to Kafka topics, while consumers read these events. Kafka provides various client APIs to facilitate this interaction, ensuring data integrity and reliable processing. By mastering the production and consumption of events, you can build robust real-time applications. Understanding how to leverage these APIs effectively will enhance your ability to manage data streams seamlessly.
Kafka Streams API is a powerful tool for real-time data transformation. It enables you to build stream processing applications that process data as it flows through Kafka topics. With Kafka Streams, you can perform both stateful and stateless transformations, making it versatile for various use cases. Integrating Kafka Streams with existing systems allows for seamless data processing and management. By mastering Kafka Streams API, you can unlock new possibilities in real-time data handling. Fault tolerance is a cornerstone of Kafka's architecture. By replicating data across multiple brokers, Kafka ensures data durability and resilience against failures. The replication factor determines how many copies of data exist in the cluster. Properly managing broker failures and implementing strategies for data consistency are crucial for maintaining reliable data streams. Understanding and leveraging Kafka's fault tolerance mechanisms will ensure your data remains safe and accessible.
Scaling Apache Kafka to handle high-volume data streams requires strategic planning. By balancing loads across brokers and optimizing partition distribution, you can achieve greater throughput. Monitoring Kafka's performance and tuning its settings are vital for maintaining efficiency as data volumes grow. By applying these best practices, you can scale your Kafka environment to meet the demands of modern real-time applications, ensuring seamless data flow and processing. Apache Kafka is transforming industries with its real-time processing capabilities. In e-commerce, it powers real-time analytics, enhancing customer experience. Social media platforms leverage Kafka for seamless data flow and user engagement. In the financial sector, Kafka aids in real-time fraud detection, ensuring security. It also plays a pivotal role in processing IoT data, enabling smart devices to communicate effectively. These real-world use cases demonstrate Kafka's versatility and impact across various domains. We've covered the essentials of mastering event stream processing with Apache Kafka. From understanding its architecture to real-world applications, Kafka offers immense potential for real-time data handling. As you continue your journey, explore Kafka's features further, and consider joining the vibrant Kafka community. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tech insights and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement helps us bring you more valuable content.